The P0705 code indicates a malfunction in the transmission range sensor, also known as the TRP, input circuit. So what does this mean? The transmission range sensor, sometimes referred to as the gear selector position sensor or neutral safety switch, tells the computer what position the shift lever is in. When this code appears, it means the computer is not receiving a clear or correct signal from this sensor. This is crucial for the transmission to know when and how to shift gears. Symptoms you might notice include the gear indicator on the dash not showing the correct position, the car may not start in park or neutral, difficulty shifting gears, or the transmission may even go into limp mode. Alright, so if the P0705 code pops up, the most common culprit is, well, a faulty transmission range sensor. You'll want to visually inspect the sensor and its connector for any signs of damage, corrosion, or maybe even loose connections. Now it's also really crucial to check the sensor's wiring. A broken wire, a short circuit, or a poor connection could definitely be what's causing the issue. And don't forget to make sure there's no buildup of dirt or debris around the sensor, as that could interfere with its operation too. In some cases, an improper transmission linkage adjustment can also trigger this code. You see, a faulty transmission range sensor can lead to some serious safety issues. We're talking about situations like the car starting in gear when it really shouldn't, or the neutral or park lock not engaging properly. And, it can also lead to premature transmission wear, so it's definitely something you want to address sooner rather than later.